Green Garden there only, you know.
By Tebong Green Garden.
Already there I made the U-turn from the Green Garden there lah. You know wait, don't know how
If from there, long way more to come out here.
There, I don't know what is the problem over there.
I stayed
might
in
be
Green Garden before. Yeah, can be always the Petronas there after that. Got roadblock also. Next Monday or so, I will call you. Next Monday about 12 o'clock lah, later lah.
Okay.
About 12 o'clock need to go to Penang Club. At the back of Citibank.
Oh, I see.
At the back of Citibank. Just go for lunch, come back. This with Hillary lah. With Hillary and then a few other aunties
I see.
Now all of us can go out already
Oh, you already got to.
Already got the certificate ready. A long time we didn't go out.
Got wings already.
Got wings to fly lah. They see one side, then they don't see the other side. Penang lah.
Yeah, all over the world lah.
All over the world lah. Okay lah.
If not, how can you get accident? Correct not?
True. That
If
day,
there is a state or either a country that's no accident, I really respect that. Because this human is nature one. Lan Si, Kuai Lan, Thailand. You're not escape one. Sure to have all this stuff people want. Someone want to show tough lah. Why lah, car?
they want to race you. Road bullies lah.
Also got one, this one. Cannot escape one. Unless the country like Singapore really very strict. Every corner also got camera.
Yalah Singapore.
Like China also safe.
Yes.
They got camera, even they got the machine, the robot
Yeah.
they can see you. And then they also can detect like the what? Some people are like robbers or what
Oh.
they can detect you one.
Oh,
know.
you mean the face recognition one
Not the face. I don't know that robot It's very smart, you know. How they did, I don't know. I see from the Facebook. The robot is just like a small car, the small petrol car, you know.
Okay.
And then he will move along the road.
Wow.
And then the pavement got people, right? And then got girl. I mean, like
With the handbag.
They got carry handbag, and then behind got another guy, and then beside the girl also got some people. And then the robot come from fly, he detect already. The silent tick, and then
Wow.
he can go faster, and then he just come out the info lah, and speak one, you know.
Wow.
Be careful of your handbag. There are a smuggler. There
Wow.
are a thief behind you. There's a man wearing what shirt?
Wow.
Definitely how? People see, oh, you
Everybody
are the
turn
blue
and
jacket
look. Ayo.
Of course, it's you lah, man.
Yalah.
So that are very good the implementation they invented that machine. Oh, yeah.
Very good.
China. Japan also don't have. Don't play with them. think because of China, there are a lot of these thieves.
Snatch thieves.
That's why they have to come out this one.
A lot of people there.
Because the country also has some are rich, some are
Yes.
poor. So that's why I would say every country are the same.
True. Good and bad.
Dah laju-laju nak pergi mana? Kena pokok.
They go so fast, and then in the end, in front, they have to slow down again. You see this cloud? Want to go up or go down? Make up your mind. But P plate lah.
So at least we can understand.
P plate. They put the P plate. Can understand lah. Still learning. I cannot drive. I dare not drive.
But that's not the way of driving now.
Yeah.
You should
You see?
the direction now. This
Woo.
one you understand where they make you turn. Of course they want to go
Come in.
90% all go in one. So everybody alert here already. And he also got put in the
Signal.
right? That's good. Wow, this house renovated so good. Oh my god.
Oh.
Almost a palace.
Whew. What is it? Yeah.
Story.
Yes.
Oh wait. Like a flat already.
Maybe like make like a hotel like that. B&B.
There's an hotel in this D Road. It's also a bungalow they converted. They renovated to become a hotel. I didn't know that because my auntie's somebody's bungalow is beside. One. So I always knew that one is my auntie somebody bungalow. But I never been the bungalow before. So that day I took one passenger who wanted to go to work as a cleaner, housekeeping.
Okay.
And then he went there. Said, masuk bangla lah. Ini hotel lah. Then I said, oh yeah lah, hotel.
Used to stay there.
Bungalow converted into hotel. But he renovated lah. Don't know how many stories, 4 or 5 stories.
Wow.
Quite long also because they have a very big land lah. They want the bungalow all the
I think if it's a landed property, bungalow lah, surround got land is different. But I think if you're attached like this,
this one
how can they allow? Usually they don't allow.
Then if let's say got customer, then how they park the car?
Then you can look down to your neighbor's room, for up. You can. There's the privacy also.
Pick you money.
Yeah lah.
Everybody has to put the blanket become the
the blanket. Use the blanket as the curtain. Duck out. Last time we stay in Bukit Lugok, ours was double story lah. Then the rest all single story. That's how my brother met his late ex-wife lah. We can look down in their kitchen ma. Always see her help the mother cooking and then I love you, you love me There all the hand signal for my room window lah.
But that one okay, they
Cute lah. They were a cute couple lah that time. They make their own hand signal and then hang the handkerchief for my window. Then she know lor, must come over, help me bake the cake. Excuses lah, just to come over.
Last time have to do this one, now no lah, now this one lah.
Now handphone Now handphone, that time no lah.
last time I used one mirror, WDG.
Okay.
That was very long time ago already. And then the time I work in Fly lah. So I have one friend is from Johor.